Okay, it's cord circuit here. Kneeling slashers to halo. Swings. Side bridge. And ankles to bar. Good. Okay, not too exciting here. This sled push, you got 4 guys on a sled. I'm not sure what our interval is here, but this is hard. 10 rounds of sled push down the back. If you don't have a sled, just do 10 jingle jingles every 75 seconds. Or probably 12, probably. That'll get you. It's amazing how hard this is. Here we go.